So now that you're done looking at all of your peers' video and cartoon projects, we're now going to move on to our next unit. And what we're going to do today is we're going to hopefully go and lighten things up. So welcome to the world of electricity. Now to begin with, we need to figure out a little bit about what we know about electricity to help us get to that point. So as of right now, you should have already received the Lighting It Up worksheet with a little light bulb on it. Lighting it up with a little light bulb on it, you should have it, and you should have used that to be able to go and watch this video. Now, on the back side of that worksheet, the Lighting It Up packet, I want you to go and pause this video and answer this question. What do you believe is electricity? So what is electricity? Write down what you know about electricity, write about where you've heard of it, what you think it involves, where you see it, etc. So take a few moments, pause this video, and brainstorm, and you should come up with a list of a pretty thorough explanation of where you've seen electricity, what you think it is, what you've heard about it in the past. So now your first task today, and we'll talk more about our definitions and stuff when I come back, but your first task today is to go through and see if you can create and generate this electricity thing. In other words, try to get your light bulb here to light up. So what you're going to do is you're going to be given a light bulb, you're going to be given a single battery, and you're going to be given 2 wires. What I want you to do is use these different devices, use these supplies, in order to get your light bulb to go in and be bright and to light up. Now, you might not get this right off the bat, but what I want to do is use this as an opportunity to learn. Figure out what works, what didn't work. Now, it's very important that we only have 1 battery and we only use 1 light bulb, and we keep it to that for right now. And then in the future, we can maybe kind of push it in different directions. But for right now, 1 light bulb, 1 battery, 2 wires. You're going to do this in teams of 2. So your team of 2 is going to walk up to the sub and show the substitute the back of your worksheet, which should have a listing of all the things involving electricity. You're then going to receive your 1 light bulb, your 1 battery, and your 2 wires, and you're going to stay in the room, and you're going to go and see if you can figure out how to get it to light up. In your first attempt, you're going to go through and you're going to draw the pictures. I want you to literally draw the light bulb, draw where your wires are placed, draw where your battery is, make sure to show where the little nub is, things like that. And I want you to describe why you set it up this way. And you might want to even do this before you actually even set it up. Draw the picture, write it down, and then try it out. Did it work? Did it not work? And then I want you to think about why it worked and why it didn't work. Do this for trial 2, trial 3. Keep on going and fill out as many trials as you need to. So, and it's okay. They don't have to be right. In fact, I have no problem if you go on through and you're over on trial 4 and 5 and you still don't have your light bulb lit up. Write down what you've done and what adjustments you've made. Then, I want you to go on over to our page 3. And on your page 3, you're going to have a summary section. So the first thing I'm going to want you to do is summarize what actually did work and why do you think it worked. So summary of what worked, and then after that I want you to do the reflection, which is going to be the part down below on page 3. So this is all on page 3. So then you're going to do page 3, and you're going to go through and you're going to explain the summary and the reflection. And explain the challenging part, what you learned. After you're done with that, I want you to go and return all of your equipment. So you're going to go return all of your equipment to the substitute and then turn in your Lighting It Up worksheet to make sure that to the sub for review, and then turn it in to him or her. At that point, you should have thoroughly watched all your peers' videos earlier in the day. You should have gotten your light bulb to light up. You should have your reflection done, and that will be your task for the day. And if all of that has been done thoroughly, you may sit quietly and work on other homework. Hope you have a great day, and like I said, those are your requirements for the day, and I expect those all to be done well by the time I return. See ya tomorrow.